This video is to show you how to use the glucose tab within diasend, starting with logbook and table. As with all charts and graphs in diasend, you're able to change the time period that you're looking at. At the moment I'm looking at 14 days, however using the drop down I can select 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month or a customised period of time. When you're happy with your selection, if you scroll down, you will see the logbook below. On the left hand side we have the days of the week with weekends indicated in red, and then across the top we actually see the time periods throughout the day, the different hours of the day. You can see the blood glucose readings populated in the specific boxes. However, we will see that the in-target readings are in green based on the personal target set for this patient in their patient profile. The ones below this target would be in purple and the ones above this target would be in red. Now if a patient is looking at this and there's an awful lot of reds or purples, they can be distracted purely by the colour and lose track of the conversation. So it can be quite useful as a clinician to hide these colours to prevent any sort of distractions coming up during the consultation. This allows the patients to focus on a specific area of the graph that you're wishing to look at. Here you go. Now my screen is loaded. You can see it's much plainer and can ensure that a conversation stays on track rather than getting hung up on the colour coding that you see within the chart. Alternatively, below you see the statistical information as with many of the other charts. You have the ability to print these to a PDF if you wanted to save the logbook,